I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Uipath Studio installed and attested. PS1 file. Once done, set PowerShell execution policy for the user or process to remote signed or bypass so scripts run. Next, configure the Invoke Powershell activity in Uipath, point it to your script or pass the script text. Make sure to run Studio as the same user account that can execute the script. This avoids permission mismatches and lets you proceed to variable binding and argument setup. Once the activity is placed, select Script File for a PS1 path or script text for inline code. You should bind variables, use an argument for inputs like PS credential or hash table, and out argument to receive PS custom object output. Make sure to toggle the isolated property when you need a separate PowerShell process. Use integrated for speed, but note session state differences. Also set continue on error and timeout MS proactively to prevent long hangs. Finally, you now execute the workflow and validate results by checking the output panel and logs for standard output and error streams. If the script fails, pinpoint common causes, execution policy blocks, absent PowerShell modules, or credential prompts blocking automated runs. When needed, wrap Invoke PowerShell in try-catch and log verbose details to pinpoint exceptions. If problems persist, rerun the script manually under the same user account and use verbose PowerShell flags to replicate the issue. This quickly reveals environment mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.